Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 3 plus under bracket 3 plus bracket 3 times 4 plus bracket 2 plus 3 times 5 and bracket 12. So here I am going to use the board mass rule where B is bracket. So they have given 3 brackets, so we will solve the inner one first. Then if off sign is given, then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So let's start the today's video solution. So 3 plus 3 times 4 plus 2 plus 3 is 5 times 5. Now 3 plus, then we have two signs, multiplication and addition. So first we solve multiplication. So 3 plus, first we solve the inner bracket. 3 plus 3 times 4 is 12 plus 25. Now 3 plus 12 plus 25 is 37. Now 3 plus 37 plus 3 is 40 and 40 plus 3 is 43. So that's how we can solve this type of problem step by step. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.